CTV News at 6 with Hudson Mack.
Good evening. Thank you for being here. On the Saanich Peninsula tonight, you might hear farmers breathing a sigh of relief. Conservation officers have shot a cougar thought to be responsible for a farm animal killing spree that's been going on since August. More than 24 animals killed, all attributed to the same male cat. CTV's Louise Hartland has more on the kill, and we warn you, some of the pictures in her report may be disturbing.
This cougar is one of the Conservation Service's most wanted.
This cougar has killed more livestock than any other cougar I've ever been involved with.
Officer Peter Pauwels has been tracking the cougar for months. Last night, he got a call that an alpaca had been killed on a West Saanich farm. When he arrived to check on the carcass this morning, he came face to face with his prey.
The cougar was on it and looked up and was facing me, and I had an opportunity for a shot at that time, and I took it.
He believes this healthy male is about 2 years old and weighs just over 45 kilograms. Pauwels is confident this is the cougar responsible for a killing spree that began over the summer. Just 2 weeks ago, a trail camera caught this image of the cougar after it slaughtered 2 sheep on Durant's Road.
Probably 25 sheep, about 10 goats, 2 alpacas, and that's just the ones that we know about.
Such big teeth, too.
12-year-old Ethan Gregory knew there was a cougar lurking near his house, but he never expected this.
I haven't seen a cougar at all. This thing is giant.
For people living in the area, there is a sense of relief.
I know I have goats and chickens too, and I was concerned that it was going to come from them too.
Safer. We've definitely seen kill around that is likely cougar kills.
But the relief is tempered with sadness that this had to be the cougar's fate.
Sad for the cougar.
Even for the man who shot him.
I hate having to do that. In this case, with a cougar that's killed that much livestock, I don't have any other option. I'm not allowed to relocate a cougar that's done that. It's not something that I can even consider doing.
Pauwels hopes this will bring some closure to the farmers who have lost animals to this cat.
Who knows where this thing would have gone next. There's so much livestock out there that it just would have kept going. There could have been dozens more killed.
And with the size of its prey increasing, who knows what this cougar would have targeted next.
CTV's Louise Hartland joins us now with more. That's a big cat, Louise. A shame. What happens to the carcass now?
It is. It's a beautiful big cat, and the Conservation Office is preserving the carcass in a freezer for now. It will contact local First Nations to see if anyone is interested in the hide. Officers say it is very valuable, and because the cougar is so healthy, it is in near perfect condition. Peter Pauwels says this cougar would have killed again if it was relocated, so unfortunately he had no choice and had to pull the trigger.
All right, Louise Hartland, thank you.
You're welcome.